Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. You've come to prep for a civil war. Smart. Grab your homemade organic beef jerky ingredients. Have a large freezer bag ready. The jerky meat should be lean, round steak or sirloin without the fat, cut up in beef jerky strips. Sea salt, a quarter cup coconut amino barbecue flavor, a quarter cup soy-free soy sauce, organic onion powder, organic garlic powder, and organic cayenne pepper. Add whatever you feel works best and comment to share your creation. Maybe it'll turn out better than mine. Step 1. Grab a measuring jug and a spoon. Place the sauces first, then the onion, garlic, and cayenne pepper. Then mix with a spoon, it'll be thick. Step 2. Place the jerky meat into the freezer bag, then pour in the marinade sauce. Close the bag, make sure you remove all air, then give it a few squeezes to fully marinate the jerky. Step 3. Place in the fridge overnight. Step 4. Now you need a dehydrator. I tried in the oven but they burned after 30 minutes. Grab the marinated jerky from the fridge, pour out the marinated strips into a bowl, then place the strips onto a tray evenly. They smell so good. Grab paper towels to soak up the excess marinade because you want the jerky as dry as possible. Then place in the dehydrator on 70 degrees Celsius for 7 to 8 hours. Step 5. Remove from the dehydrator. They look burned, but that's only because of the soy-free soy sauce and barbecue coconut amino sauce. I'll show you the inside of one. They're chewy like jerky, as they should be. And best of all, they're chemical free without soy fucking lecithin. Step 6. To store, vacuum seal the jerky. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, then place in freezer bags airtight and freeze. It's a very simple staple to make that's long lasting and delicious and will keep your stomachs full. Good luck to you all. Hopefully a civil war doesn't break out, but it's better to be prepared. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be seeing you.